1080 pixel viewers are going to feel triggered over this footage. Here we go. Made it to the free recovery clinic, Nature's Recovery Clinic. You figure out what it is? It's the river. Well, underneath the ice and the snow is the river. And there, where you can see the light, is a hole in the ice where I'm going to be going in. So here we go. We're just going to go into the Avanto. This is what it looks like. Pretty cold. Okay, so just 2 minutes. Joo, voit tulla.
Eikö otat sä aikaa siinä?
Joo, myös.
Oi. Onko sulla joku tavoite? Tuu vaan Mika, minä jään tähän vähäksi aikaa lillumaan.
Joo. Huomasin, että eka kerran pystyy olla paljon pidempään.
Mä en oikein lämminnyt nyt ihan tossa saunassa.
So seeing as this is the first time this year, it's... No, voit puhua. I'm just talking to myself in the camera, don't worry. I'm just aiming to do 2 minutes just to break into the routine of it. Don't want to go crazy.
Tuntuu, että
just concentrate
eka kerran jaksaa olla tosi pitkään.
on breathing.
Toka kerralla ei läheskään niin.
Because your first response when you go in is shock
Se on helpompi tulla tänne
and
veteen.
to take short breaths.
Älä ole liian kauan.
Carry on breathing. First 30 seconds are normally the hardest, a minute, because that's where it's cold.
Mä en nyt lämmennyt oikein saunassa, niin mä huomaan.
All these other people going into the sauna and then here. Coming up to 2 minutes now. Can feel my fingers are cold.
Oi, tulee. Mä joskus keväällä kokeilin niin mä en lämmennyt aivan lakaa.
Tää on hyvä tästä.
That's good.
Se on erilaista, joo. Oikeesti erilaista.
Here you go. 2 minutes now. Get out. So important after, just spend, I don't know, about half a minute outside and just feel the warmth coming back to your body. It's really, really good, really nice. Then quickly get changed. Right, so all done in the Avanto ice hole. It was a really, really good introduction back in for this winter. I've done it a couple of times elsewhere, but here is my local one, and yeah, I usually come 2 to 3 times a week in the evenings, or sometimes on the weekend in the late mornings. Don't know why I'm telling you the times, but there you go, just in case you want to meet me, come swimming with me. So just had to keep moving. Wanted to get a little bit of movement. Toes got a little bit cold. Oh, poor toes. Man, what happened to my bike?